In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Code CLI and build a simple MCP server Claude can use. We'll start by getting the Claude Code command line tool installed. Open your terminal and run npm install g at anthropic AII Claude Code. Once that finishes, confirm it worked by running Claude version. Seeing a version number tells you the CLI is ready to go. Next, make sure your system has Node version 18 or higher, since MCP servers rely on it. Check with Node v. If the version is missing or lower than 18, install node and npm. On many Linux systems, you can use sudo apt install nodej's npm. After installation, run node.pv again to verify you're at 18 or above. Now, let's create a minimal MCP server. MCP servers are separate processes that Claude can talk to, so we'll put it in its own folder. In your terminal, run mkdir mymcp, then cd mymcp. Initialize a project with npm init.y and install the SDK with npm install at model context protocol /SDK. This SDK gives us the server class and the standard input/output transport that MCP uses. Create a new file named server.js and paste in the following structure. We import server and stdio server transport from the SDK, then instantiate a server with a name and version. Inside, we define a tool called getTime with no parameters. Its handler returns the current system time as an ISO string. Finally, we create a stdio server transport and connect the server to it. Save the file when you're done. This tiny server is enough for Claude to call a real tool and receive data. Next, we'll register this server with Claude Code. Open or create the file located at claude/mcp.json, paste in a configuration that defines an entry like example with a command of node and an args array pointing to the absolute path of your server.js file. For example, full path just to mymcp server.js. Be sure to use an absolute path here so Claude can always locate it. Start Claude Code by running Claude on launch.